Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to answer the question which sites are accepted by Lazypay, which means which sites accept Lazypay. Let's go. You see, Lazypay is accepted on a wide range of online platforms and also offers a scan and pay feature for use as merchants who accept UPI payments. Now I'm going to give you some of the types of sites and specific merchants where you can use Lazypay. The first is for food delivery. For food delivery, you can use it at Swiggle, Zomato, Fresh Menu, and Box 8. For travel, you can use it at Make My Trip, Goibibo, and Ixigo. For entertainment, you can use it at Book My Show and Ghana.com. For utilities and bill payments, Airtel accepts, Tata Sky, ACT, Hathway for cardless EMI. When it comes to e-commerce and shopping, you can use it at Flipkart, that is for instant EMI on select products, Big Basket, Chroma via Scan and Pay, Samsung for cardless EMI, Mintre, Zepto, Blinkit, and Instamart. When it comes to ride-hailing, you can use it at Ola, Uber, and Rapido. Additionally, the Scan and Pay feature allows you to use your Lazypay credit limit at any merchant that accepts UPI QR code payments. This significantly expands the number of places where Lazypay can be used beyond the listed online partners. When making a purchase online, you will typically see Lazypay as a payment option during the checkout process, often listed under Pay Later or Cardless EMI. Hope you found this video helpful.